What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we are installing a interior ambient lighting on this BMW E60. Right, so this kit is actually by the boys over at Dekalgruvan. These boys have been very nice and sent me one of their products, which we are going to install in today's video. Dekalgruvan is a website online that offers you car parts and accessories and lighting and all sorts of stuff. So go ahead and check them out down below. Right, so let's install this kit. Right, so first we have to start by checking if these lights work, and as you can see they do. And now we can move on to routing the wires. We are going to put the long cables up in the front and the short ones here at the back, as we have this lighter down here at the back. To make it easier for the install, we are going to push the seats forward, just like that. And now we're going to move to the back, and here we can start by taking this tape off, just like that. Of course, you have to clean the surface, and now it's just to apply it down here. Make sure to put a lot of pressure when applying it, so it really sticks. And now to the fun part. We got to wire these cables in a way where you can't see them. So I think we are going to go right up here and push the cables inside of this plastic bit. Same process on the other side. Now to the front, same process. Clean the surface and then remove the tape, and then we can stick it right here, and now hide the cables. Right, so once you're done with the routing of the cables and applying the LED strips, you can go ahead and scan this QR code to get the app which controls these lights. So I'm going to do that right now. And then we're going to install this app right here. And then you have to wait for it to install. Right, now it's done, and then we just open the app. Yes, accept Bluetooth, and now we can control what color of the lights and what mode we want. Static red, static white, red green crossfade, some fades and flash and strobe, and there's about 200 different modes. So you can go ahead and play around and find which suits you. This is static white, static purple, static yellow. It can even change colors to the music. As you can see, it works perfectly fine and it's a great product. So if you want this for your own car, go ahead and check Dekalgruvan.se. Alright, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.